The median is the center or middle value of a data set. That is, it's literally in the center of everything. If we're going to find the median by hand, that means we need to list out all of our values in either ascending, getting bigger, or descending, getting smaller order. So let's go ahead and look at an example here. If I have the data set 1, 2, 3, 4, and 10, then I need to figure out where the actual center is. There's two ways to do this. One is to literally count off to the center. That is, check one there, check one there, one there, one there. And in this case, my median is equal to 3. This can be a huge pain in the butt, though, if I'm actually calculating the median for a really large data set, so there's another way of doing it. That is, when I look at this, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 10. I have a total of 5 numbers. Notice that my median is right here in the center, right? And that is, it's not the first, not the second, but the third number in. For this reason, when we go to calculate the median, we can actually find the median's position by taking n plus 1 and dividing it by 2. That is, in this case, we had 5 plus 1 over 2, that's 6 divided by 2, or my median being in the third position. That is, if I have 5 numbers, it's the third number in that's going to be my median. So, for our next example, let's look at a different data set. Let's say I have the numbers 21, 2, 4, 6, 6, 7, and 9. Now, looking at this data set, I actually have 7 entries, so n is 7 in this case. So to find the median's position, I'm going to go ahead and take 7 plus 1 and divide it by 2, which will give me 8 over 2, or 4. This tells me my median is going to be the fourth number in. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 26 is going to be my median here. Now there's something that can go slightly wrong with this, in fact something that can go slightly wrong anytime we calculate the median, and so let's look at that next. In this case, we actually have 6 entries in our data set. And so let's go ahead and find the median the traditional way, that is crossing off. So cross here, 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 here. And notice I ran out of numbers. That is, the median, the center, is actually in between 2 values. When this occurs, what I'm going to do is I'm going to average numbers on either side. So I'll take 3 plus 4 and divide by 2, or get 3.5 there. So my median in this case, because it doesn't land a number, is just in between those center 2 numbers. Let's do another one. Let's say I have the numbers 1, 5, 9, 11, 15, and 21. If I wanted to do it by finding the median's position, I would come over here and I'd say, okay, I got 6 numbers. I want to go ahead and find the median, and so I take 6 plus 1 divided by 2, which will give me 3.5. Remember, this doesn't tell me the median itself is 3.5, this is the position of the median. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and look at where the 3.5th number is. Now, of course, there's no actually 3.5th number, right? It just tells me it's in between the third and the fourth. So 1, 2, 3, 4. My median would be right between the third and the fourth number. That is between 9 and 11. All I'm going to do is I'm going to add them together and divide by 2, which will give me 10. So in this case, my median is 10. This shows us that if we have an odd number in our data set, median is actually going to be one of those values, and if there's an even number in our data set, we'll just average the 2 numbers on either side.